boy. Momo good boy. Hi Momo. Hello. Hello.
Don't scare them.
Hello.
Momo good boy. Yes, hello baby boy. Yes, baby boy.
Hello.
Come darling. Come. No scared. No scared. No scared. Oh no bite. No scared. He's biting hard because he's scared. Oh no bite. No bite. Come. Come baby boy. Yes, okay. Okay. Come baby. Come baby. Come baby. Yes, come baby boy. Come. Yes. No make sounds. Look at baby.
Hello. Hello baby boy. Yes.
No scared. No scared, darling. No scared. No scared. No. No scared, darling. Come here, darling. Boy. Come. Come, Dudu. Dudu, good boy. Yes, no scared.
Hello. Hello.
Come, darling. Come here, Boo. See, a toy. Come. Yes, come, baby. Baby boy, see, he's not sure. He goes slowly. Come. No scared. No scared. No scared. No scared. Okay. Shoo. One more shoo. Come. Shoo. He's scared. Come, darling. Come slowly. Yes, you come yourself. Oh, he's smart. Yes, Momo's smart. Put it behind you. Momo's smart. Hello, Boo Boo. Come, darling. Come, sweet. Come, no scared. Come, Dudu. Come, Susu. You come here. He's scared because new place, new space, new sound. They're scared. There's 5 of them. They're all siblings. He poo-poo. It's okay. Leave it. Don't scare him. It's okay. Yes. Happy home. Happy home for Boo Bao. Boo Bao, happy home. Come, darling. Come. No scare. Already clipped. If they want to clip, they'll be flying all over your hair now. No sudden movements and sounds. Just relax. Come, darling. Come. Your friend inside. Come, darling. Come. Yes, come. Look. He wants to go inside. See. He wants to see his friend. They're very tame. Look. Look, he's an upside down clown. Momo's a clown. Yes, Momo cute. Isn't he cute? Does Juan want a bird? Juan wants a bird. Come, darling. Come. One is super tame. Come, darling. Come here. Bite. When he done one, he's like, no. Come, boo-boo. Come. Try, okay? No scared, darling. Come. Never go from behind, go in the front. Come, darling. Come. Is it flash?
Get.
Come, darling. Come slow. Let him get used to you. Come slow. Yes, don't scare. Come. He's so funny. Come, darling. Come.
I think it's just going to get used to new space.
Monster knows something's up. Which is the one that was tamer? It's the bigger one.
Yes.
This is the one that...
The better one.
Yes, the bigger one's
The
more.
leaner one is.
Which one's this one? Come, darling, come. Bring me some bird food, some Come, darling, come. No scared. You can run fast. Come, baby. Yes, come. Come on, Momo, come on. This is more tame, the bigger one. Be more used to people.
Yeah.
Yes, good boy. Amam. Yes, Amam. Momo Amam. Momo Amam. Come, Momo. Come, Amam. Come, Amam.
No pleasure.
Yes.
More your pleasure.
Momo Amam. Come. Yes, good boy. Now they're getting a little more used to it. Yes, give me some of that. Can I have more than one? Okay. Amam, Poo, come. Yeah, Momo Amam. Amam. Yes, Momo Amam. Don't like her. Here. Momo Amam. Look, look, look. Yes. Come, Amam, Momo. Come, darling.
Backlighting.
You like? Come, Amam. Okay, I give you enough. You like enough. Come, Poopy. Come, come.
That one.
Okay, we open for you, okay, Poopy? Then you come outside and play. Okay, Poopy? Come, Poopy. Poopy no scared. Poopy no scared. Poopy no scared. Okay, give me the food cup. Can you put this in the food cup? Here. Poopy no scared. Look how he eats. Look at this. See, he's taking his time.
The water and
Yes, what? You took more to dry?
Yes, Poopy, good boy. Poopy, good boy. Come on, come play. Yes. Play for Poopy. Poopy for play. Yes, come. Come, Poopy, come. Come, Poopy, come. Look, they're sharing food. Look, see? See, they share, no fight. Yes. Remember, this is the beginnings of our animal sanctuary. Later, it's going to be huge. Yes, look how they share food. Oh, droppy. Come here, droppy. Here, Amam. Yeah, Amam, yeah. Don't want? Okay, I give it. This guy can really hang. Where's his food? Come, yeah. Come. Come. Oops. Here. Every day we have to put him on our finger for a few minutes, train them. Right now they're quite stressed. But this one will be easier than that one. This one, okay. Okay, Amam. Here. Amam, yeah, Amam, yes. Amam, Momo, Amam. Come. Yum. Come, Birdie, come, Amam. Birdie, come, Amam. Come. Come on, monster. Oops, where you go? Come. Come. He's like, no. Where's the wood for you? But they're relaxed because they're stretching. Yeah, it's a good sign. Okay, I opened perch. Ow! You mean, Birdie? No bite. The small ones, more, what's that called? Yeah, no, it's okay. Look, don't jump. He's stressed and scared.
Look like apple. Look like apple. Look like apple.